Got a small business? A side hustle? Maybe you're a freelancer trying to manage your own finances. We all know that moving money can be a major headache. ACH transfers can be slow, peer-to-peer apps can have fees, and paper checks feel like they're from another century. So what's the best way to get your money where it needs to go, quickly and without a fuss? The answer for many is Novo, and today, we're going to break down exactly how you can send money using your Novo business checking account. Whether you need to pay a contractor, send funds to a vendor, or just transfer money to another account, Novo makes it incredibly simple with a few different options. First, let's talk about the most common way to move money with Novo, and that's through electronic transfers. Novo offers free ACH transfers directly from your account. An ACH transfer is a standard electronic money transfer between banks. To get started, you'll need to add your payee's details in the Novo app. This includes their legal or business name, their bank's routing number, and their account number. Just make sure everything is entered exactly as it appears on their bank account to avoid any delays. Once you've got the info, you simply initiate the transfer and the funds will be on their way. An ACH transfer with Novo typically takes between 1 to 4 business days. Now, what if you need to pay someone who prefers a more traditional method? Novo has a solution for that, too. You can send a paper check directly from the app. That's right, you don't need a physical checkbook. From your Novo dashboard, you just add your payee's information and Novo will handle the rest. They'll mail a check to your payee on your behalf. This is a fantastic feature for paying rent, utilities, or other services that don't accept electronic payments. Just keep in mind that mailing a check will take a bit longer, usually around 7 to 10 business days. Finally, for those who use peer-to-peer payment services like Cash App or Venmo, you're in luck. You can link your Novo debit card to these platforms to send funds to another party. This is a great option for quick, smaller payments, and the transfer times are usually much faster, often just 1 to 3 business days. Novo also has a beta program for outgoing domestic wire transfers and an integration with Wise for international payments. You can access these in the Apps section of the Novo app. These options provide more specialized ways to move money, and you'll want to check the specific details for fees and processing times within the app. So, to recap, Novo offers a variety of ways to send money, free ACH transfers for electronic payments, a convenient check-by-mail service from the app, and seamless integration with popular peer-to-peer apps. The right method for you will depend on your needs and how quickly you need the money to arrive. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.